Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm doing this reading for Libra Sun, Libra Moon and Libra Rising person. This will be a relationship reading for the month November, or you can say from 20th October to 20th November. I'm going to draw a Celtic cross. So let's start. Okay, the first card will be, this is the situation in which you are working right now. You are doing a lot of work. Since it's about relationship, so you are putting too much effort for relationship basically na. Or this is a person who is carrying a very heavy load on his shoulder, and the way he is carrying it is also questionable. It's not the appropriate or best way to carry the load. बहुत ज़्यादा under pressure, carrying all the world on your shoulders type की feeling, or you just want to go through and cross this way towards this house. टैरो में जो हाउसेस या कैसल्स हैं या पैलेसेस हैं, ये स्टेबिलिटी को शो करते हैं. सो द पर्सन इज़ ट्राइंग वेरी हार्ड टू टेक ऑल दीज वॉन्ट्स टू दिस प्लेस. 10 जो है वो एंडिंग को शो करता है. आइदर यू आर पुटिंग दिस बर्डन डाउन और यू आर trying to end this relationship. We will see in the reading now. Okay ji, next card will be the problem or obstruction. ठीक है, जो इस टाइम पे you are facing hurdles and hindrance in your life, या इस सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंगली आपके सामने चैलेंज क्या है इस टाइम पे. What is challenging in this situation? Okay ji, you want to follow your North Star. You might have started this relationship in a very beautiful and hopeful manner. और बहुत सारी hopes, बहुत सारी अच्छी बातें जो आप सोचते हो. Maybe you are dealing with an Aquarius, और ये एनर्जी के तौर पे भी कार्ड सामने चूँकि आता है, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आप ये चाहते हैं, आप ये अटेन करना चाह रहे हैं, जबकि खड़े आप इस सिचुएशन में हैं. ठीक है, यू आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन 10 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, बट यू वांट टू अचीव, और योर गोल टू अचीव इज़ टू अचीव द स्टार. इन द डिस्टेंट पास्ट, moon card is here. I'm sorry. In the distant past, moon card is here, and moon is used to talk about fear, anxiety, something hidden. जो ये relationship है, इसमें कुछ hidden factors हैं. ठीक है, there are something which is not known to yet. Since this card is about distant past, तो distant past में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें थी जो आपको पता नहीं थी, जो क्या हो रहा है वो आपको अंदाज़ा नहीं था उसका. और कंफ्यूजन थी, फॉगीनेस थी, क्लैरिटी नहीं थी आपके पास. ये सिचुएशन थी. अब हम देखते हैं कि रीसेंट पास्ट में आपके साथ इस सिनेरियो में क्या रहा. ओके जी, 7 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. 7 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स जो है अर्थ एनर्जी है, और ये बात करती है आपने जो अपनी प्लांटेशन की थी, जो रिलेशनशिप को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए एफ़र्ट्स की थी, और अब आप यू वांट टू हैव रिज़ल्ट फ्रॉम दैट. जितनी ज़्यादा आपने एफ़र्ट की, यहाँ पे ये कार्ड जो है ये बता रहा है कि पास्ट में, रीसेंट पास्ट में, बल्कि बेसिकली इससे भी पहले, यू वर पुटिंग सो मच एफर्ट फॉर द रिलेशनशिप, जो कि ओवर बर्डन कर रहा है आपको इन द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो. और आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि आपको कुछ इसका रिज़ल्ट मिलेगा. ठीक है, लेकिन वो जो रिज़ल्ट आपको मिलना चाहिए था, व्हाट यू वर एक्सपेक्टिंग, that was turned into 10 of wands. प्रेशर, बर्डन, एंग्जाइटी, ओवरलोड, सारा काम एक ही फरीक जो है वो कर रहा है। रिलेशनशिप दो लोगों के दरमियान में इक्वल होना चाहिए, हर एक की इनपुट और आउटपुट जो वो इक्वल होनी चाहिए। लेकिन 10 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स जो है, 7 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स के बाद 10 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स ये बता रहा है कि आपने तो अपनी तरफ से पूरी एफर्ट की है, लेकिन दूसरी साइड से एफर्ट नहीं की गई या नहीं की जा रही। ओके जी, नेक्स्ट कार्ड विल बी अबाउट the crowning card, and this will show the what's on your mind right now and what you want to be, some at which point you want to go, ठीक है, what you want to achieve in this situation. Oh, 3 of hearts, sorry, 3 of swords. It's a 3 swords are piercing the heart. ये डायलॉग हो सकता है, ये फैक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, ये वाली चीज़ें जो यहाँ पे विच आर हिडन ओवर हेयर इन द डिस्टेंट पास्ट कार्ड, ये वो फैक्ट्स हो सकते हैं विच हैज़ बीन रिवील्ड टू यू, और दैट रियलिटी जस्ट पियर्स्ड योर हार्ट, और वेरी पेनफुल, वेरी हार्ट रेंचिंग, ख़ास तौर पे स्पेशली व्हेन वी सी दिस विद 10 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, दैट यू हैव स्पेंट सो मच energy of yours in this relationship, but you get this, or you are feeling like this. What is future in this scenario? What is your future? Knight of Swords, you want to take some action, and a very rapid action, or you don't want to hear anything, or you don't want to you just want to have some result. And one more thing is Knight of Sword is very much concentrated on the past, ठीक है, जो सारा कुछ past में हो चुका हुआ है उसकी वजह से the person, Knight of Sword person is boiling right now. This can be Libra, and this can be the person with whom Libra is dealing basically. Till now we have 2 major arcanas on the table, Star and Moon. Star is representing Aquarius, Moon is representing Pisces. Other than that we have earth signs, fire signs, air sign, don't have cups yet. Cups are about emotions, see. And I think in this relationship which we are seeing on the table right now, very low level of emotions are involved, one sided है जो भी है most probably, और ये किसी अच्छी एंडिंग की तरफ जाता हुआ नज़र नहीं आ रहा. End of this month you can expect bitter arguments, harsh tones, especially when we consider Mercury is retrograding in this month, so most probably communication will be either on halt or very bitter. Okay, the next card will be the ego position of Libra, Wheel of Fortune. Okay ji, Libra at the moment is seeing themselves as the wheel is moving for them, ठीक है, और ये कि जो टाइम बेसिकली ये टाइम ओरिएंटेड कार्ड है. वन थिंग इज टाइम इज़ इंट फिक्स्ड फॉर एनी वन. इफ़ यू आर इन द बैड टाइम देन इट विल बी पास्ट, और इफ़ यू आर इन द गुड टाइम देन इट विल ऑल्सो बी पास्ट. सो एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम, लिब्रा एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं, दैट डिवाइन टाइमिंग्स, Libras are waiting for that to take some action. This card is related to Jupiter, and Jupiter is right now in Sagittarius. So we can expect something, some action or something in Aquarius, sorry, in Sagittarius time, which will start from end November to एंड दिसंबर. और जो लिब्रा हैं वो बस वो उनको उम्मीद है कि उनका अच्छा टाइम शुरू होने वाला है. अच्छा जी, नेक्स्ट कार्ड विल बी अबाउट द आउटसाइड इन्फ्लुएंस, 3 of Wands. अच्छा जी, किसी के वापस आने की उम्मीद है. This can be someone, this can be a Libra, and if I try to read with this, there is some third party, ठीक है, वो भी वापस आने की कोशिश कर रही है. We have two cards of number 3 of swords and 3 of wands, so we can say that someone is trying to come back, and you are also expecting them that they will come back. The next card will be about your hopes and fears. 8 of Cups. Yeah, you just want to leave the place, you want to leave this relationship, you are hoping to get some happiness, because although the cups are stacking in a very good manner, they are erected, lekin they are empty. There is no emotional happiness in this card. Very sad and gloomy card over here. So you are trying to decide to leave this relationship or leave this person. The last card will be about the outcome. 3 of Pentacles. Okay ji. In relation to the other cards which are already on the table, I can see and say that there is some third party situation in the story right now, first of all. Secondly, you are hoping that the universe will work with you and support you and guide you, and you will establish yourself. You will establish a stronger foundation for yourself by working hard. So what I can see over here, that either Libra is trying to leave a relationship and they have very solid reasons for that. They are not happy in this relationship, not emotionally fulfilled, not supported. There is someone जिसका जो लिब्रा जो है जिसका इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. So let's see what's the bottom of the deck is. Okay ji, 10 of Pentacles, happy family life. There is this castle, a couple is dancing, some old guy which shows the longevity, the dog shows the loyalty, and the kid is also here. There are a lot of Pentacles. So this is the life where you have a long-term relationship which has loyalty and happiness. You have the bank balance. Very happy family card. This is what you are what is hidden right now. You cannot see this, but this is on the on your path. The sun is also about the happiness. Very blossoming card. अच्छा, इसमें there is also a child over here, and this is also a child. This can be a lovely beginning, and this can be a child, a baby, which will be the result of this relationship. Communication है, online हो सकती है. People are looking towards you. This person is looking towards you, waiting for you. The person wants to give you some kind of you might be not talking to the guy or girl right now, or the person wants to say sorry to you on something, and then we can see you are trying to decide something, or you have decided, you have taken some decision which is giving you anxiety, confusion and fogginess. But still there is someone on your path which is very nurturing, very home oriented, very family oriented. ओके जी, तो लिब्रास आपकी रीडिंग जो है वो very hopeful and very beautiful. ठीक है, we can see lot of good things coming on your path. Let's see what is the advice card for you from Energy Oracle deck. One card for Libra, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of November. Anxiety, 9 number again. 18 number basically, this is the 18 number. 1 plus 8 is 9. So you might be in the anxiety right now, and you are feeling too much stress mentally. 10 of Wands is also in the similar kind of card, but you are doing some overthinking over here. Okay, there is no point to do that. 9 shows the ending, so and 10 is also a completion. So it's time that something bad or something depressing is ending, and you are moving towards a happier time. Okay, you have the divine support with you, so there is no point to feel anxiety right now. Just expect good. You should manifest what you want, or you are at a very good place of manifestation right now. Okay ji, so Libras, this was your love reading for the month of November. I hope you will like it. Thank you so much.